Hello everyone, this video is regarding the difference between local and global variable. As you can see on the screen, we have declared two variables, first name 1 and first name 2. First name 1 is a global variable because it's declared inside the class but outside the methods. On the other hand, we have first name 2, which is called a local variable because it's declared inside the method display. Regarding the access of local variable first name 2, it can be accessed only inside this method display. But when you try to access this variable first name 2 outside the method display, it will show an error. Regarding the access of first name 1, which is a global variable, you can access it in both the methods. So here you can access first name over here. Also you can access the same in other method. This was a quick video regarding the difference between local and global variables. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.